Hello, in this video I want to show you how to display your PC performance like temperature or how much of your graphics and CPU is used on a base station for Steelseries Arctis Nova Pro wireless headset. And right here I have a base station and GG software installed on my PC. You can check my previous video on how to download this software if you don't know how to do it. Now here we want to go for the engine, select apps, then scroll all the way down, not all the way down, scroll down a bit so you can see the system monitor. You can turn it on and now you can see that my PC performance. If you want to configure it, you can click on configure, then select the device. In this example we're going for Arctis Nova Pro wireless, and we can adjust how it's displayed. So when CPU screen will show title percent and data, we can edit that and you can just experiment with that however you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.